Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. I don't know if it's morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you're watching me, but I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to have you here. So, today we'll be working on this. This is a fabric. It's actually bridesmaid dresses, and they're for the reception. The reception will be at night, hence the sparkles and sequins. Yeah, so this is the fabric that we have. The fabric that we are going to be working with. Oh my god, this is nice. Can you see me? All right, I can see it. Great. So this is the fabric that we're going to work with, but first need to clean around. The shop is in a mess. Okay, so we left the shop yesterday in a mess. We left it last night in a mess. Check it out. Check it out. So this is our photo area where we take pictures of products. There it is. See this place. So let me just quickly clean and we'll be right back. So the cleaning is done. Now it's time to work. Okay. I'm excited. Hope you guys are excited. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut the fabric. Let's cut the fabric. Come. So let me show you around the dresses. Okay, let me just turn. Okay. So we are now going to cut the top part. The bottom pieces have been cut. Some are there and some are here. So the dresses are actually 4. So we'll cut the top parts and then we start sewing. The next footage you're seeing, it's us going to be sewing, and then yeah, stay tuned. Finga ko nzauza Bruce wakaboya checking ako. So this is the dresses that we are working on. We have 4 dresses. So this is semi-done, not fully done. The zip hasn't been attached yet. So this is how it's coming up. The top parts are all different. This one has more like a one hand. It's a boob tube, and then the hand is going to be here. Yeah, so we haven't attached the zip yet, so it has to be something like this. We haven't attached the zip yet. The behind has been pinned, but I love it already. I love the way it's looking. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you love it? Are you in love? Okay, so that's it for this one. I'll actually show you once we are done with everything. Yeah, so but the floor looks like this. This is how the floor is looking. All right, so let me get back to work. There's something I'm attaching here. I'm actually attaching one of the top parts of the dresses. I'm attaching this. So let me finish up and then I get back. I love the way the gold is coming out, the sparkling, the sparkle. Which dress do you like the most? This one here or this one? Okay, so we have 2 up there and 1 is done. We're remaining with, so in short, we have 3 that are almost done. The zip, remaining with the zip, and 1 more. The material isn't enough for the back part, so I'll have to quickly run to go get some fabric tomorrow morning, and finish it up. But this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for watching. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Okay, like this video. Thank you. Bye. It's late, and that's it for today. We are done. We are going home now. Whoop whoop. See you tomorrow.